sweaty hot in here. It's so hot. You know when you get like hot, you just don't feel like doing anything. That's how I feel right now. But later this week, I will have a video popped up of me cutting the steel and welding the parts in place. I'll be doing welding, a little stitch welding, in the to get the bottom of the tub of my sandblaster all straightened out. I'm gonna grind down the edges, paint the little rack there in place, paint it red, bring it outside, put it on the other side, or I might work on the. I might use it as a bench to work on the tub, but probably not. The tub needs a just one, two, three. I was gonna work on it tonight, but I don't have any cardboard to make some templates, so I gotta possibly make a couple of cardboard templates and then bend it out and just tack weld them back in. See how it goes. So stay tuned. I have a couple little good little welding videos I'm gonna stitch together. There's always more videos. I don't know if I'm gonna videotape me moving all this crap. I think I'm just gonna be like, here's the garage, and then it's empty, and just make a video like that because I've seen many people do that. And then I'll probably not do anything for a while, or I'll just be setting up equipment and setting up videos, and I'll probably have a huge pile of junk in one corner and a nice little shop in another corner until I sort out because I need more stuff. So anyway, just a little info video, whatever. I'm in here. I'm going to bed. I gotta go order stuff tomorrow. I go to bed. I gotta work tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Toodles. Don't forget to smash whatever button you feel like. And have a good one. Toodles.